And now, hello. Oh, it's a bit buggy out here. Oh. First of all, the pit of doom is still there. There's no single killer. There's a multiple killer, and better than a normal killer. It always kills something. And you can also finish the option by like breaking the iron and then the redstone. This is the tool giver. It can be toggled like this. One closed, there can't be anything. As open, and you don't want to go here. Like that. It gives you the loot. There is also a loot holder, the mob holder. Where did the loot come from? My zombie skin is a bit different, but it's like legs on the head, and then one more tank. And they're jumping. Oh, now I will open the grinder. Then the holder will. Now we'll open this, and then kill all of them. Whoa, big loot. Look, it's like creeper. But it's not. Oh, lots of loot. More coming up. You can put all your loot here. And there's a sword of lords. Lords of sword. Lord sword. It's diamond sword and sharpness 10 smite the bane of arthropods. Bane of arthropods. Got it. And I put some more splash poison of healing, instant health too. I use too many items or it will put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's so useful. Now I think the grinder is not. Oh, someone's fault. And when it's not opened, the loot will go here. It's not good, so you better open tool giver when not using holder, and it's now loads little more better. Oh, I love this. And this is all. Bye.